Here we are again. What will probably be a real short, because we're going through woods. I threw on some off. We'll see how this plays out. But this is the Raccoon Grove Nature Preserve. If worst comes to worst, we're right next to the Moni Reservoir. We'll just fucking leave and go there, because I will hike that. It's outdoors. So, Raccoon Grove, that's what we're looking at. This little bullshit here shouldn't be too bad. If not, we'll just go right over here. Moni Reservoir. Check her out. Let's see. Nature trail. Bada bing, bada boom. This thing's closed to motor vehicles. Would you know it? Something like this? The fuck out of here. You should say, closed to all motor vehicles except lawnmowers. We need to lawn mow the motherfucking shit. So, we might still go to Moni Reservoir if this is super short. Splice a video. But I'm going to try and do a couple videos at the Moni Reservoir the rest of the summer, just because you could fish there, you could kayak there. And that's where I want to learn how to do a kayak. This isn't too bad right now, so far. But we'll see how it goes. I'm covered in off, so let's see how that shit works out for us. Another day out in the woods, another day trying to get in shape, another day out trying to get the old HBJ back. And a lot of dead shit. A lot of dead shit in here. Like, you can go on each side of this trail and it's nothing but dead shit. Dead trees everywhere you turn. Crazy. So that's another side mission here. Little side mission. You can go down that way. I'll stick to the original mission. They got these things in the trees. Not sure exactly what in the motherfuck they are. But interesting. These original steps, they put their own in. Not digging that. Good thing it ain't wet. Another tree. I like that. If they want to do shit like this on each side of the trail, that's good shit right there. I'm all about that. Cut that little piece off though. Got us a bridge, because these rapid waters going through. I'm guessing that at some point there's some kind of waters that come through, maybe when it rains. But that being said, gotta be careful when you're walking through shit like this. Kind of reminds me of Starved Rock, the way that they got their shit going. But so there's another trail. They're a little man-made one, but they make sure that they tell you, hey, stick to this one, cocksucker. I'm not sure how much further into this forest I'm going to go before we hit the Moni Reservoir. Just because the trail's no longer really a trail. We can make this video nice and short. And go hit up the other place. Yeah, they've been back here cutting some shit. Because that don't look like a dead tree. Maybe it's because it fell. You do some bushcraft stuff out in a place like this. Yeah, I'm gonna call this. Oh, this is the circle. We're already at the end unless it goes that way over top, which I'm not sure because it goes there too. And they got things that go up and maybe that go around by there. But I don't know how far this goes. I don't know. Looks like there may be houses on the other side. But this might be the turnaround. I'm assuming it is. I could be wrong. I could be deeper into the forest, but short little place. I mean, you want to do some bushcraft stuff, get dropped off here, because these forest preserve districts, they shut them down, they close the gates every day. And they'll probably tow your car if, in fact, you have your car here past sunset. So when we get to the Moni Reservoir, we'll just walk around the lake. We're not going to go into their little hiking trail because every fucking time I go there, I get lost. And I ain't in the mood to get lost today. Yeah, you got all these down trees. You got all this shit to choose from. You come out here, get dropped off with a backpack. You do a nice overnight bushcraft. Be pretty cool. Don't know the laws on that. Probably not good. But once you're in this bitch, I'm sure it's not a big deal. Could be. I mean, eventually people are going to come back. But I'm assuming once they open up the gate, you could just be picked up in the morning. Just be smart about it. All right. Here we go. All right. Hardest part's over. Almost back at the beginning. This is a big ass fucking stump. This is a big boy right here. I don't know if that shit in the middle means dead, but it looks pretty alive to me. But who knows? Hollow tree. So this one will get probably, I go 3 out of 10 for this one. If they brought people back here and cut out some better trails, I might give it a higher ranking. And maybe there are. Maybe there's some trails that I didn't come across or see, or just wasn't willing to go down today, that I would raise the score. But this is a small forest preserve and it's right next to Moni Reservoir. So Moni Reservoir, I'll definitely give between 7 and 10 on any given day. Just alone based on the fact that they got their own bullshit trail that they made themselves that you could walk, and they got the lake, they got the gazebos, they got a little bit of everything. So we're already back at the beginning. Pretty quick one here. Don't like that I had to spray all that off on me, but it got me in and out without having to fucking bitch completely about bugs this time. They were all around me though. I heard them and felt them. But little 10-minute video in this CHBJ. Out.